Environmental criminology is a field of study that examines the relationship between crime and the environment. It explores how environmental factors can influence criminal behavior and investigates crime that directly harm the environment. Green criminology is a subfield that focuses specifically on environmental crimes and the social, political, and economic factors that contribute to them. Types of green crimes: illegal pollution, the unlawful release of hazardous substances into the air, water, or soil. This includes industrial dumping, improper waste disposal, and oil spills. Wildlife trafficking, illegal trade in endangered animals or their parts, poaching of protected species, and unlawful harvesting of plants for commercial purposes. Illegal logging and deforestation, the destruction of forests without proper permits or in violation of sustainable forestry practices. Illegal fishing, fishing in protected areas, overfishing of endangered species, or using illegal fishing methods that harm the marine environment. E-waste dumping, the export of electronic waste to developing countries where it is processed in hazardous and unregulated conditions. Explaining environmental crime, theories and perspective. Rational choice theory: offenders weigh the potential risk and rewards of committing environmental crimes. Lax regulation, weak enforcement, and the potential for large profits can incentivize these crimes. Routine activities theory: environmental crimes are more likely to occur when a motivated offender, a suitable target like an unguarded natural resource, and the absence of capable guardians converge. Green criminology perspectives. These perspectives emphasize the role of power imbalances, corporate greed, and state-corporate collusion in facilitating environmental crimes. Harms of environmental crime: environmental degradation, pollution, deforestation, and illegal wildlife trade can lead to severe damage to ecosystems, loss of biodiversity, and climate change. Public health risks: environmental pollution can contaminate food and water sources, leading to serious health problems for communities. Economic costs: cleaning up environmental damage, lost resources, and reduced tourism revenue are some of the economic consequences of environmental crimes. Social injustice: environmental crimes often disproportionately affect marginalized communities and developing countries, perpetuating existing inequalities. Strategies for combating environmental crime: stronger legislation and enforcement. Governments need to implement and enforce strict environmental laws, increase penalties for violators, and invest in enforcement agencies. International cooperation: as many environmental crimes are transnational, cooperation between countries is crucial to tackle issues like illegal logging and wildlife tracking. Targeting corporate crime: holding corporations accountable for their environmental impact can act as a deterrent and encourage environmentally responsible practices. Sustainable consumption and production: encouraging sustainable practices in industries and promoting awareness among consumers can help reduce the demand for products that fuel environmental crimes. Conclusion: environmental criminology and green criminology bring much needed attention to the often overlooked issue of crimes against the environment. Addressing these crimes requires a multifaceted approach that involves strengthening regulation, fostering international collaboration, tackling corporate environmental harm, and promoting sustainable practices. Protecting our environment is essential for the well-being of current and future generations, and criminology plays a crucial role in understanding and combating these crimes.